Hey guys, I'm Derek Peachy, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a complete DDU wipe on your computer. DDU stands for Display Driver Uninstaller, and this is a tool that you can use if you're installing a new graphics card or maybe swapping platforms. Let's say you have an NVIDIA graphics card and you're putting an AMD card in your system. This will completely wipe all display drivers off of your PC so that you can do a clean install and that way drivers aren't getting mixed up, files aren't getting corrupted, and it will keep your games from crashing, and it will also keep them running stable. So let's get into the tutorial on how to do this. So the first step in doing this is actually restarting your PC. Now there's an important step here. While you're restarting, make sure to hold shift until you boot up into the Windows recovery screen. Once your PC boots into this menu here, you want to click on the troubleshoot option, advanced options, and then startup settings. In here you can restart to change Windows options such as this whole list here, and you're just going to click the restart button. So then your PC should boot into this, and as you can see here, we've got a whole bunch of different options on this computer where you want to select the 4 key to boot into safe mode. So now that we're in safe mode, things might look a little weird, and you will see this up at the top here, this little Microsoft build and release number here. So I'm just going to go to my downloads. I'm going to extract the guru3d.com software. I will leave a link down in the description for this software if you want to download it for yourself. This is the app that's going to allow us to do a complete wipe of the graphics drivers in this computer. So once you open the software, you should end up at this point right here. These are just a few like settings and things that for both AMD and NVIDIA. These are and Intel actually also. These are different things that you can have the software actually remove. So I'm just going to select the ones I want. I'm just going to click close here. So here's the graphics card and all the information that it has on your GPU. So what you want to do is go to this little drop down, select type, and select GPU. And this is going to select the graphics card that you have. These are all of the things that it's actually going to uninstall right here. So here you can do a clean and restart, clean and do not restart, or a clean and shut down. So the best option is to do a clean and restart. So click on that, and it's going to begin completely wiping your computer of all graphics drivers. So once your PC boots back up, it should boot back into just the normal version of Windows, and everything is going to look a little weird and stretched out, and everything's going to be a very strange resolution as well, because again we have no graphics drivers on here. But if we go to Device Manager and we go to Display Interfaces or Display Adapters, we can see that our graphics card is not actually being detected because there's no drivers installed. So this was a successful DDU wipe. And again, this is for if you are installing a different type of GPU, or if you want to put an older GPU in or a newer GPU. The best way to do it is just completely wipe the whole computer drivers and then reinstall the specific drivers for that graphics card that you have installed. That is the tutorial on how to do a complete DDU wipe on your computer. I hope you guys found this tutorial helpful. If you are looking for a computer, such as a gaming computer, editing rig, or just a basic desktop, make sure to go check out our website at TronixTechnologySolutions.com. I'll leave a link down in the description below for that. If you want to see updates on projects going on around here on the workshop, make sure to go follow us on Instagram at Tronix Technology Solutions. I will also leave a link for that down in the description as well. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.